Hi guys, this is Lozim Sibi from MMG Internet and Computer Services. You can find us on Facebook. We also have a website www.timsibmediagroup.co.za. I'll leave the links on the description. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to fix the problem here on the charging system of the laptop Acer E1. As you can see it here, this laptop actually failed, and then it got this kind of a stuff here broken, just like that. As you can see, this part is on the charging system side, and then after fixing the charging system, now we have to fix the hinge right there, and then bring everything back, and then so that it will come back to life, right? So what I had to do, I had to go to my scrap laptops and then get this kind of a thing here, the charging system, because the owner of the laptop gave me just when it's when it was like that, with the pin, the connector at the top here missing. So what we actually had to do, we're not sure if the laptop is still alive. Is it the problem? Is it only this thing, or maybe some part of the motherboard has been damaged? But we're gonna check it up just right now in a second. Let me remind you, we don't take weeks, days to fix a laptop. We take only just few hours, depending on the problem. Then we send it back to the customer. As you can see, this one arrived in our office in an hour ago, South African time. So it's gonna be fixed just now. So we had to go to our scrap laptops and get the connector, just like that one, and then you have to connect it there and give it a test. Okay, first you have to know, what you have to know is that these things are the same by looking at the models of the laptop that you're gonna use. As long as this one is the same, and then on the other side also it's gonna be the same. So now I'm connecting this thing right here. I'm actually gonna do the test and make it as part one of this video when the screen lights up, and then I'm gonna bring the stuff all together. As you can see here, these are the screens here, and I'm just gonna take the motherboard inside there and connect it, give it a test, so for you to see how it works. By the way, you're gonna get all of my videos right here. Thank you very much for those 5,648 subscribers who have been liking my job. I'm not only on computers, but with talents from the young South Africans. Right. Let's take the motherboard now inside the cover of the laptop to connect the screens and give it a test on the charger. Alright, so here is this whole thing. Now what I've just done now, just to connect the screen right here using this cable. Of course, I've connected this one first and then I follow with the screen. Now I'm just gonna take the switch of the laptop and then connect it right here. As you can see, it's written here J power. Here, this is the power connector right here, and then we put it in, and then we clap it in so that it will fit. And then the last thing to our test will be to connect the charger here, and then see if this will turn on. Right, the charger is now connected for my universal charger here, going up there till here on the charging system right here. Remember, this was the part that was broken, as it has been replaced after this one was broken, and then I have to throw this one away. There's nothing I can do with it. And then now there comes the moment we've been waiting for. So now, to see if this thing works and there is no problem on the motherboard, then we find out after I press this switch right here. 3, 2, 1, start. Yeah. The laptop is back to life, as you can see. Right now it's telling you that no bootable device hit any key. That's not a problem because the bootable device is there, the hard drive. So we're gonna take the hard drive and put it in, and then that should be all. So we know that the computer is now working just perfectly fine. After that, we're just gonna fix the hinge right there. I think that's gonna be our part 3 of the video, because our part 2 will be when this whole thing has been fitted together to make a whole computer working one. Thank you very much. Meet you on part 2. By the way, my name is. Please subscribe.